Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to split images for large prints using Canva. Splitting an image allows us to print it across multiple sheets or panels. Whether we are making posters, banners, or wall art, we will walk you through how to divide your image accurately. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, select the image you want to split. If the image is too big, or we want to create a poster or banner, this method will help. Let's wait for the Canva editor to load. If we want to split the image into 6 or any number of rows or columns, simply click the image, then go to the Apps section. Now search for Image Splitter and press Enter. In the results, we will see the image splitter. Just click on it. Once it loads, we need to export our design. Since we have already exported this design, we can also choose a file if we prefer. Here, we can set the size. We need to configure the size and choose the file type. After that, simply run the export. Next, we can select how many rows we want to use. For example, if we want 2 rows, select 2 by 2. Now we can see there are 2 rows and 2 columns. If this fits our print, we can also choose 3 by 3. Once we are ready, just click Split Image. As we can see, we have split the image. We can also add designs to these images if we want. We may set a background depending on our preferences. This is how we split an image in Canva. We have successfully split an image in Canva for large prints. Now we can create stunning multi-panel prints for any project or decoration.